Frustrated with the Msvcrtd.dll missing from your system? It's a dependency issue I can fix. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and let's run a precise diagnostic. Before starting the detailed Msvcrt debug fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This DLL file is the debug version of the Legacy Microsoft C Runtime Library. It provides a testing environment for developers to identify crashes and memory issues in very old C applications during the debugging process. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. To resolve the conflict, you should reinstall Windows OS Core manually. Navigate to Microsoft's website, download the Visual C++ packages for x86 and x64, and run them both to refresh the system. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Msvcrt debug message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Installing an unverified version of the Msvcrtd DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to the Msvcrt debug. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time the Msvcrt debug encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.